Hi all, this is the first lecture by CPS and the topic for today lecture is basic concept of physical chemistry. What we will learn in this module? In this module we will learn about mole concept, balancing reaction and atomic number and mass number. What is 1 mole? Mole. It is defined as the amount of any chemical substance that contain as many as elementary entities like atoms, molecule, ions, electrons as there are atoms in 12 gram of pure carbon 12, the isotope of carbon with relative atomic mass 12 by definition. This number is equals to Avogadro number, that is equals to 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23. Some formulas that you will need for calculating moles. Moles is equals to mass divided by molecular mass, which can be seen by periodic table. Moles is also equals to number of molecule divided by Avogadro number, that was 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23, or moles for in the case of liquid and gas. Moles is equals to volume of gas in liters divided by 22.4 liter at HTP. These are the few examples which you can solve so that you can see that the formulas that you have learned are applicable here also. So in every mole computing question, these or any one of the formulas will be used. So now you can find moles very easily. Limiting reagent. Limiting reagent in a chemical reaction is a substance which totally consumed when the chemical reaction is complete. The amount of product is formed and decided by limiting reagent only, and the reaction cannot be proceed further without it. So for finding limiting reagent, we can proceed by seeing an example. In this example, we are given a 2 gram sample of ammonia which is mixed by 4 gram of oxygen. We have to find the limiting reagent and how much SS reactant will remain after the reaction is stopped. So first, in these types of question, we need to create a balance reaction. After writing the balance reaction, we can see how much product is formed by the given reactant. So as the equation shows that 4 moles of ammonia produce 4 moles of NO and 5 moles of O2 produce 4 moles of NO. By using these two basic things, we can find the amount of NO formed when we are given 2 gram of ammonia and 4 gram of O2. The reactant species which produces the less product will be the limiting reagent always. So in this case, O2 is the limiting reagent, and the reactant which is produces more product will be the excess reagent, and it will be left after the reaction is completed. So in this case, ammonia is a non-limiting reagent, and now we have to find the amount of ammonia left after the reaction is completed. So we can use the opposite of unitary method. In this, we will use the product that 4 moles of NO will produce 4 moles of ammonia. So 3 gram of NO will produce how much ammonia will be used. Then we can subtract from the given amount, and then we will get that 0.3 gram of ammonia will be left after the reaction is completed. Now the last, balancing the following reaction. There are many methods to balance the reaction, but in my opinion the simple way is oxidation and reduction method. In this we will find the oxidation half and reduction half, and we will simultaneously balance these halves and then add, and we will get the balance reaction. So in this, copper oxidizes from +1 to 0 and iron reduces from 0 to 3. Now we can multiply copper reaction by 3 and then we can add, so we can get a balanced reaction simply. What is atomic number? Atomic number is number of protons in the nucleus of an atom. And mass number is number of neutrons plus number of protons. This is the standard notation for donating atomic number and mass number in chemistry.